So this is our leather arrival, our leather storage area. It comes in from the. We use cow skins obviously, and they come from British or Irish cows, but we have them prepared for us at a tannery in Belgium. So these have come from Belgium. They've already been prepared for us and dyed the right colour we want them to. So black, brown, or honey. These are we usually have grade 1, unless they're really busy and they can't do enough quantity for grade 1. They are sometimes with grade 1 they have the tannery have guaranteed that they have checked them, and we should get at least 90% of the surface into a saddle. If they can't make the quantity, they send us grade 2, which they tell us there are more scratches, more problems, more blemishes, and we have to tell them how many we can make, and they only charge us for the amount that we say we can make. But we grade 1.